African violet has about 4 petals usually. So I start the same way, about 1 inch loop, okay? Don't forget to pinch with your finger so you don't have wire showing. That if you look at mine, every now and then that happens to me. Okay, do it twice. And now I'm just feed some more beads and I go around it like this, and I have another loop. See? Look at this. Same thing, 1, 2. So this is the reason you cannot do 3, 4, 5 twists, because you might be thinking, oh, but it's easier. So I pinch, I want them close together.
Can you do another one by chance?
I'm going to do 4 of them. So I have my 1 inch thing here, pinch, so the 1, 2. The reason I cannot do 3, 4, 5 is, look here. I have, maybe Joe, I have, this one I twisted 3 times. And I have a gap here with wire that I will not be able to do anything about it. See, so when I do the other loop, wait, like here, I still have that wire showing in between, here, in between. Okay, you will see, just be patient. Here, I still have some wire in between the 2 loops. Almost, I mean, not a big deal at all, but if I have 2 twists, that gap is a lot smaller, so it doesn't show.